Good morning. Today we are going to learn new option in Power BI desktop. Name of the topic is columns from example. It is very simple, but an interesting topic. Similar topic is also we can see in Excel. The name of the topic in the Excel is flash fill. So if you have a knowledge of Excel, yeah, you know that flash fill option. So let us see that option in Power BI, but here name is different. In Power BI, we say that option as a column from examples. So this is the data, sample data for today's assignment. First column is ID, employee name, joining date, city, country, and address. So first we upload this data into the Power BI desktop application. Click on Get Data, Excel Workbook, column from examples. Sheet name is examples, and just click on Transform Data. So first we work on the first two columns. So I'm going to remove remaining columns for visualization purpose. So here first column is ID and the second column is employee names. So for split option, we have seen split option in previous videos, but if we want to split this data into the different columns, so we have another or additional one option, column from example. So we are going to check now this option now. So we have to just click on column from example, and suppose here in ID similar pattern is maintained in all the rows, DZ-2018-4578, number of characters are equal. So here if you want data between two dash, so I have to type 2180 here and just click press enter button. It automatically fetch data for remaining rows. You can see it fetch for all the rows. If you uh, okay with this output, then you can click on OK button. If actually accuracy of this technique is around 90%, so if this output is okay, we can click on OK button, or not. If we are not okay, we can cancel this. Similar for employees. Again I'm going to click on column from example, and here if I want only first name from the data, so we got the first name from the data. Okay, so we got our new column from example. If I want last name, so here I got our last name. Here if we want first name dot Newton, last name @excel.com, so we automatically get email IDs for the remaining data. Just click on OK button. Now we have to just enter the format what we want from the data, so it automatically drag the data as per our input. So for visualization purpose, I am deleting this step. Also, if employee name, I want first name in capital letters, SEAN. So we got first name from the employee name in capital uppercase. Similarly, for last name, here also we got the result. We got last name in the uppercase for all the records. So we see column from example for first two columns, ID and employee names. So now we are going to check same option for data type. That I'm going to remove these two columns. Remove columns. Now joining date. Here, if we want to separate out years from the column, so 2023, just type the year from first row and just click on enter. And if you okay with this data, then click on OK. Again, month 05, we got the result as per our input. OK. And then date. Yes, we got similar result. Using this option, we separate month, year and date. So now we move to next column. For visualization purpose, I am going to delete these three steps. Now from next column is city and country. Suppose we want to separate some initial words from both the columns. It is also possible using this option. For example, first word is ORL dash, and in United States three words are UNI. So here we not get the output as per our requirement. So again I am going to type or teach the Power BI about our requirement UNI. Now when I type second time, it got our requirement, and now it's showing correct result for our input. So first three word is NEWUNI, for doubling DUB-UNI. So actually it take some time. It take required 2-3 inputs for few results. So but if we give proper input to the Power BI, so it will definitely get the right output for us. So here I'm going to click on OK button. So this is also possible using column from example option. And last is address. So again, for visualization purpose, I am going to delete this step, and now I'm going to remove these three columns. So our last column is address. So here you can see there is some similar pattern. So first is for means number, then word, then number, and then word. So this similar pattern is maintained in all the rows. Suppose we want to fetch first number from the column. So here I am going to type 4. If I enter, it automatically fetch first number from each row, each record. Okay. Again I am going to click on column from example, and this time I am typing 7. So here you can see it automatically fetch 897, 897. That is a floor number actually. So it automatically fetch data from the records. We can also check for text, is it possible or not. Floor. So it fetch last word from the data. So here you can see it automatically fetch second word, means actually first character is numbers, set of number, and then word. So it automatically fetch second word from the data, and it almost correct. So we have checked column from example option for all data types. So this is done for this topic. So please subscribe our channel Job at Punyanagri, and like, share and comment on our Power BI videos. Thank you.